The Maritime Pine Pinus pinaster. The maritime pine is an evergreen, coniferous species of tree that grows to mature heights of 100 feet, with a commonly somewhat sinuous stem, straight in some areas, notably Corsica and northwestern Africa, and a usually open crown of regular, candelabra-like upswept branches, broadly ovoid conic when young, becoming irregular and denser with age. The foliage is needle-like and is borne in fascicles of 3. The needles tend to between 5 and 10 inches long, and are yellowish-green. The cones are conic, 4 to 8 inches long, green at first, ripening glossy red-brown when 24 months old. They open slowly over the next few years, or after being heated by a forest fire, to release the seeds. Its range is in the western Mediterranean basin and the southern Atlantic coast of Europe, extending from central Portugal and northern Spain, mostly Galicia, to southern and western France, east to western Italy, Croatia and south to northern Tunisia, Algeria and northern Morocco. It mostly occurs by the shoreline close to sea level, but can be found growing at elevations up to 6,000 feet in the southern portion of its range. Here is a gallery of the maritime pine. How to grow maritime pine. Collect the mature brown cones in the summer, when they are opening. It's best to actually collect closed, brown cones, and then heat them up to open, giving you untouched, viable seed. Soak the seeds in water for 24 hours, then sow the seeds in a soil medium and cover lightly. Wait for 10 days for seedlings to pop up. The seedlings are reasonably robust and trouble-free and usually grow to a height of between 3 and 10 centimeters in the first growing season depending on the sowing date and cultural techniques. Developing seedlings should be fine in full sun, keep them well watered and free of competing weeds. Growth will accelerate in the second and subsequent years and the developing young trees should be repotted as necessary, preferably during the dormant season. After perhaps 2 or 3 years they are ready to be planted in their permanent position. Where to grow maritime pine? The maritime pine favors a Mediterranean climate, which is one that has cool, rainy winters and hot, dry summers. It grows best in USDA zones 7 to 10, and Sunset Garden zones 14 to 17, 20 to 24. Cultivation can be successful in subtropical, oceanic and temperate climates.